Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration GJ19WH. 2019 Ford Transit Custom 2.0 TDCi 170 PS low roof DCab Sport Van L2. It has done 106,000 miles with full service history and wet belt done. It is a factory-fitted crew cab. Heated leather seats, air conditioning, cruise control, alloys, lane assist, DAB radio, parking sensors, Bluetooth, heated screen, factory sport body kit. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value. Finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co UK now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.